We thought it was a fishing net at first, a gentle tangle at our prow. Then we saw the swirls around us in the water, far out to either side, texturing the waves like kelp strands, only colorless. Next, something reflective appeared ahead, broadening as we approached until many reflections sparkled in a mass. The water's surface dazzling like the facets of some undulating gem. Our slowness slowed further, the gentle tangles catching us as we approached what seemed to be an island of yellow diamond, broader than a playing field, and blinding as the sun above. One of Apollo's sacred dolphins breached beside us, then another. As a whole pod leapt about our bow, we caught the glint of lights and robot steel. My heart leapt with them, these playful ambassadors of all Earth's future.
Ahoy! Ahoy, Utopia!
Ahoy! Ahoy!
We waved our arms and spotted colored lights as the U-beasts that schooled among the dolphins fixed sensors on us. One poked a sparkling seahorse head out of the water, another a turtle's beak, a third a cloud of pinprick lights on jointed wires delicate as shrimp's legs, while something whale-sized, several somethings, arched up to snatch a breath behind our stern. The crew cried out in wonder as a golden swarm of flying fish soared higher than our deck rail and there assembled into a six-eyed sea dragon. Exquisite in the sunlight as the many wing fins became scales along a ribbony body that pearlesced a tender pink over the gold.
We're friends!
Help! Help! Can you send a message to Utopia?
Our tale poured out in fragments, stilted by our uncertainty as to what level of comprehension lay behind the dragon's six-eyed stare. A dog's? A child's? A computer intelligence? Godlike and unknowably beyond our own? We had voiced only a few pleas when a blue light kindled in the dragon's outermost eyes and projected on our deck in laser letters and 8 languages.
This farm and what it yields are dearly and so vital that we measure their loss at many lives. Whosoever robs or harms them is our enemy and will be met as such.
This farm?
It's an energy farm.
OL was leaning far over our prow. I remember their French and Breton nation strat bracelets reflecting off the floating facets on the water.
The batteries. It's harvesting sun. Probably sea energy too. Recharging them.
And recharging the U-beasts.
Maxime pointed to transparent cables trailing from the snowy belly of a sea bear, which lolled on its blue-furred back as laughing dolphins nuzzled it in play.